Friday night. Let's get the girls ready for bed. Gonna stop off and get Fred some fresh mayonnaise. So we hit 42 today, but not much melt. I believe, I hear you, I know. I believe we've got a full week of this still. Thank God though, they're saying that we were gonna hit 15 the last couple of nights, and we only hit 29 this morning, so not too bad. So the ladies got some watermelon to pick on, and they've been picking it pretty clean. Okay, give me a break. Poor guy acts like he's starving, but yet he's got 4 food stations strategically located. Beautiful boy. My buddy here took a nap with me today. I laid on the bed and he jumped up and said, "Okay, Dad, let's do this." Okay, calm down. You're getting it. Monitoring the temperatures on these coop last night and this morning. Winchester dropped down to 42. That's got a thermostat and a heated panel, so it doesn't drop below 40. But they keep it up pretty good. And the Skybridge coop, just insulation only and a bunch of big girls, kept that going to 47 all night without a problem. Then these two guys dropped down into 38, but they have the heated roosts, so they were okay. Let's get her. Let's do this. See if he's gonna be a butthead. Get back. There you go. They are picking that clean. Look at that. You guys are just doing a number on that. You want some? You want some? Go for the corn first. They go for the corn first. Okay. You go for the corn there. I don't dare give treats at this time of night to the Skybridge. I won't get them in bed till midnight. The little porkers. Let's see if we got any eggs today. Well, we got 2. We got Princess Buttercup, Butterball, Buttercup. And I believe this is Rockets. She's the only Easter egger that's here that can lay. So Goldie here's our adopted hen, and I got her back on 10/7/22 from the King County Animal Shelter. So we don't know how old she is, but she's big and she's happy. But I was looking at my videos today, and I was looking when we first got her how thin she was. She was okay, but you could tell she was depressed. Last night we came out here and we had a deer right in front of us. No deer tonight. Hi guys. Yeah, see, they've got that. They got all that watermelon rind just tore up right now. They're going through it. We might have a little bit of trouble getting them to bed tonight, but we'll see what happens. You guys okay? I see you down there. I know, Mr. Mimi. I have never had an animal this anal dwelling. I mean, he has to be up my butt. Okay, let me come in and scoop the poop. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Yeah, we're getting a little bit low on food, but we're okay. We're okay. Did I upset you? Are you watching my poop scooper? I'm sorry. You must be new here. We do this every night. Hey, 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 hey. Knock it off. Let's get some eggs. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hey, we got 12. Good job, ladies. I'm telling you, look at them go at that stuff right there. They are just attacking it. Got to get a bigger feeder. Okay, Porky. My God. They act like they haven't eaten in a month. Is that better? That's the house supervisor. That's Rusty Senior. Oh, she knows I'm talking about her. So I've been trying to catch that dang rabbit, that black and white one, about a week now. I know, I should have tried carrots a long time ago. Slicker than snot. Got to walk on the sides. Or have all-wheel drive. Alright. Talked your ear off long enough. Get a little bit of firewood, go stoke the fire. It's going to be a cold one. On that note, you all stay safe. Have an amazing night.